For starters, I like to use these cast 3-inch tight radius 90-degree bends. They're going to be a tighter radius than a regular pipe bend that we use for like charge pipe sets or whatnot. So I'm putting this turbo intake in a tight spot, and these flow well and are easy to work with. So what I did, I took these two and I've already cut them down and beveled them. So I'll be able to get a good weld in there. I like welding these because you can go in with a lot of heat and make a nice fat weld. And I'll extend the intake out, with pieces straight. And what I did here was, you'll see these have they're thick cast pieces with that big edge on it. And if I put a piece of straight on it, it has that big lip on the inside. So I went ahead and took one and got it down and rounded it out. So when it lines up, that lip is gone. And it's a smoother transition. And I can put a big weld on the outside of it. So yeah, I'll get these ready, taped together so I can tack them and go from there. I've got that welded up real quick. This particular one is for one of our RR kits that's going overseas to a place where they can't have open blow-off valves. So I'm going to add a 1-inch recirc to it. It's going to pair up to this. This is one of our Tial Q blow-off valves. And this particular one is a recirc, so I'll add a matching port on the turbo intake for the valve to go back into and get it fit up. But yeah, I love these. Best blow-off valve on the market. Which will basically fit up like this. These kits are tight clearance, so you'll end up running a pusher fan on the radiator. I'll add the 1-inch port along the back side so that it clears this upper radiator hose. And it'll come with a compact filter, so it all fit in and should tuck all nice and neat. We'll leave room here to make sure your slave cylinder works out. And yeah, this particular kit is using a recirculated dump tube, so they're going to recirc the blow-off valve and recirc the dump tube back into the dump downpipe. That's basically it. This kit also, like I said, it's an AC kit, so it's all tucked in as tight as can be while still, working with the core pieces. You'll create clearance in the front with a slim fan, wrap your AC lines, slide your radiator slightly to make clearance, but it all goes in and works effectively. And this is a 525 horsepower billet precision turbo we're using here. 2.5 inch flare to 3 inch downpipe, recirculated dump tube, turbo intake with a recirculated port for the blow-off valve. So it's going to be quiet and should be able to skate by without drawing too much attention. So yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to show you that. I don't do a whole lot of these. I should do more because it does come in helpful and useful being able to relocate the filter off the compressor housing. But yeah, I'll get back to it. Do something else here soon. There's something you want to see, let me know. And we'll go from there. I appreciate it.